Are you looking for the top 5 best flat pedal shoes for MTB? Before buying flat pedal shoes, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. It's not just about grip or comfort, but how they handle real-world conditions on the trail.
Product number 1, Sandugo MTB shoes. Let's kick things off with the Sandugo MTB shoes. Priced at $74.99, these shoes caught my eye for their impressive grip and durability features. If you want a shoe that can tackle tough terrain while providing solid grip, this is worth a serious look. These shoes are designed with a rubber compound that maximizes pedal contact, ensuring you won't slip mid-ride. The tread pattern absorbs pedal pins, giving you that secure connection you really need when you're going downhill. And with their ventilated mesh and perforated tongue, your feet won't feel like they're cooking after a long ride. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of grip and breathability means you can focus on the trail without worrying about slipping or overheating. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit narrow. Here's the thing though, if you have wider feet, this might not be the best option for you. But if you're someone who values grip and breathability, you might find the fit just right. This is perfect for you if you're a serious rider looking for comfort and performance on tough trails. Skip this one if you have wide feet or prefer a looser fit. For the
Product number 2, Tommaso Men's MTB shoes, black. Next up, we have the Tommaso Men's mountain bike shoes in black, priced at $59.99. I was drawn to their classic style and the promise of comfort. If you want a shoe that can transition from the trail to casual outings, this is worth a serious look. These shoes are made of tough ripstop nylon and genuine leather, making them durable while offering a snug fit. The STK grip rubber compound soles ensure your feet stay glued to the pedals, which is critical for safety on uneven trails. Plus, the extra padding and shock-absorbing sole mean your feet won't be screaming at the end of the day. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These shoes let you ride hard and still feel comfortable when you hit the cafe afterward. Now, some users pointed out that they run a bit small, recommending you size up. Here's the thing though, if you're used to snug fits, this could actually enhance performance. But if you prefer a looser feel, definitely buy that half size up. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shoe that can handle both biking and casual outings. Skip this one if you're looking for a performance shoe specifically designed for aggressive trail riding. For the price, you really can't beat the versatility here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who Product number 3, Tommaso Men's MTB shoes, gray. The third product is another from Tommaso, but this time in gray, priced at $69.99. I was intrigued by the blend of style and rugged build. If you want a shoe that looks good and performs well, this is worth a serious look. Like its black counterpart, this shoe features ripstop nylon combined with genuine leather for long-lasting durability. The design not only ensures a snug fit that's perfect for biking, but the shock-absorbing sole means your feet will thank you after a long ride. The STK grip soles are a game changer when it comes to staying on your pedals, especially in rough terrains. Here's why this matters. It gives you confidence when navigating tricky trails, knowing you've got that solid connection. Now, some customers mentioned that while the fit is snug, it could feel uncomfortable for wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys a tighter fit for performance, this could actually work in your favor, but it's definitely not for everyone. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable shoe that balances style and function. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prioritize a more relaxed fit. Considering the price, you're getting a well-made shoe that can take a beating.
Product number 4, Giro Men's Latch. Fourth on the list is the Giro Men's Latch, priced at $88.85. This one stands out for its focus on control and durability. If you're looking for a shoe that can handle fast and rowdy trails, this is worth a serious look. The Giro Men's Latch features a water-resistant design and a high-traction lugged outsole that grips the pedals like nothing else. The molded footbed with medium arch support gives you that extra comfort on long rides. Here's why this matters. When you're tearing down a trail, having a shoe that provides both support and grip can be the difference between a smooth ride and a nasty spill. Some users have pointed out that the toe box can feel a bit cramped. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a snug fit, this might actually work for you. But if you like a bit more room, you might want to try them on first. This is perfect for you if you're an aggressive rider seeking control and comfort. Skip this one if you have wider feet or prefer a roomier fit. For the features, it's definitely a worthy investment. All right, product number 5, Sandugo MTB Shoes Alternative. Finally, we have another pair from Sandugo, which are similar to the first, but come in a different design. Also priced at $74.99, they caught my attention for their potential balance of features. If you want a shoe that combines comfort and performance, this is worth a serious look. Like the others, these shoes provide excellent grip with their rubber compound and tread pattern. The comfort level is enhanced by an ergonomic design and quick lace-up system, making them easy to fit on the go. Here's why this matters for you. It means you can focus on enjoying your ride instead of fussing with your shoes. Now, some people mentioned that the breathability could be better for hotter days. Here's the thing though, if you typically ride in cooler climates, you might not even notice this issue, but it's definitely something to think about if you're in a hotter area. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable shoe that performs well across various conditions. Skip this one if...
So there you have it. We reviewed the Sandugo MTB shoes for grip, the Tommaso options for style and versatility, and the Giro men's Latch for control and durability. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what matters most to you. No matter which you choose, you're sure to find something that fits your riding needs.